This video will help you assemble your CrossWave Cordless MAX so you can experience its unique cleaning power. Start by sliding the handle into the body until it clicks into place. Slide the brush roll drying bracket onto the side of the 3-in-1 docking station. Ensure your CrossWave is fully charged before its first use. To check the battery status, make sure the machine is removed from the dock and press the power button to turn on. You'll know it's fully charged when all 3 battery lights are lit up. To charge your CrossWave, plug the 3-in-1 docking station into an outlet and put the machine on the docking station. A full charge takes 4 hours. For more charging information, see our video on charging the battery. Fill the clean water tank with your desired amount of water and Bissell formula indicated by fill lines on the back of the tank. If you need more direction, check out our Filling the Clean Water Tank video. Put the clean water tank back on the machine by aligning the bottom of the tank with the grooves on the machine and pivoting into place. Press the power button to turn the machine on. The mode button allows you to switch from hard floor mode to area rug mode. Choose the mode that fits the floors you're cleaning. Pull the trigger to dispense solution to vacuum and wash at the same time. Before you start cleaning, prime your machine for 10 seconds. To vacuum and wash your floors, hold the trigger down for 1 full pass and release for 1 full dry pass. After cleaning, dock your machine to run the self-cleaning cycle before emptying your dirt tank and leave your filter and brush rolls out to dry. For a complete list of steps, watch the maintenance video. Your machine will charge while it's being stored on the 3-in-1 docking station, so it will be ready for next use.